वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल प्यारेस प्रोग्रामिंग। आज हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं लूप। ज़्यादातर ये होता है जब तक आपका इफ़ कंडीशन आता है आपका प्रोग्राम चलता है, बट मैंने देखा है जब लूप आ जाता है तो बच्चों का दिमाग चकराने लगता है। मैं आज आपको ऐसा टिप्स दूंगा जिससे आपका दिमाग नहीं चकराएगा बल्कि आपका दिमाग दौड़ेगा। चलो हम देखते हैं इस लूप का जरूरत क्यों पड़ता है। व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ दिस लूप? सो इफ आई वांट टू एग्जीक्यूट दिस स्टेटमेंट देन इट विल एग्जीक्यूट ओनली वंस. So what is given inside? Inside we have given a star. So it will display only one star. But if I want to display 10 star, what I will do? I will write the statement 10 times. Now आप ये बोल सकते हैं सर 10 टाइम्स क्यों लिखेंगे, क्यों ना ऐसा लिखा जाए इसको 10 स्टार डबल कोट्स के अंदर डाल दें हम लोग। चलो ये भी हो सकता है, मान लिया। अब अगर आपको सारा स्टार ऐसे दिखाना है नीचे नीचे तो आप तो नहीं लिख सकते उसको। हर एक स्टार के पहले आपको एक स्लैश लाइन लगाना पड़ेगा और 50 स्टार्स यू हैव टू राइट एंड 50 स्लैश एन। इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट नाउ। नंबर 1। नंबर 2 केस देखते हैं हम लोग। आई वॉन्ट टू डिस्प्ले 1 to 50 and like this 1 to 50. Now if I want to write it in 50 statements, it is difficult, but the value is changing now. The value is different, so obviously I have to use different print statement. So in order to avoid this we can use loop. That means we got a conclusion that in order to execute a statement more than once we need to have a loop. Now we'll see how many types of loops are available. Basically in Java we have 3 different kind of loops. One is your while loop, do while loop and for loop. अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे अगर एक लूप रिपीट कर सकता है then what is the need of 3 different kind of loops? ये हमें जानना बहुत जरूरी है, तब जाके हम डिसाइड कर पाएंगे कौन सी जगह पे किस लूप का यूज किया जाए। अगर हमें यह नहीं पता हाउ मेनी टाइम्स आई नीड टू एग्जीक्यूट ए स्टेटमेंट, मुझे यह नहीं पता कितनी बार मुझे यह वाला स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट करना है, तो हम व्हाइल लूप यूज करेंगे। अगर हमें एटलीस्ट 1 टाइम एग्जीक्यूट करना है, कितनी बार ये नहीं पता है बट ये पता है एटलीस्ट 1 टाइम आई हैव टू एग्जीक्यूट द स्टेटमेंट, इन दैट केस आई विल यूज डू व्हाइल लूप। इफ आई नो certainly how many times I need to execute the loop, I will use for loop. So in while loop, first of all we'll emphasize on the syntax. So syntax says that while, then within parenthesis condition, then statement or statements. Now any loop can execute at least one statement. If I want to execute more than one statement, I have to enclose it within curly bracket. So curly bracket is required. Now for loop we have to emphasize on 3 things. The first one is your initialization, then your condition, then updation. The updation can be different types. We'll look at all these things later on. So for example, I want to display 1 to 10. I want to display 1 to 10. For that, first of all, we have to emphasize on from where it starts. ये कहाँ से start हो रहा है? Look at this. It starts from 1. So that's why my initial value for the variable will be 1. So I'm writing int x is equals to 1, which is my initial value because I need to start from 1. The next one is your condition. So here I am using while. Now condition x initial value is 1. Now x will move up to 10. So that's why 1 is less than 10. So 1 is stored in x. So I will write x is less than 10. But 10 also needs to be included. So that's why x is less than is equals to 10. The condition part is over. Next, what I want to do, I want to display. So in order to display, I will write system.out.println. System.out.print. Now why I am using print? Because I want to display side by side. So print, what I want to display? I want to display 1, then 2, then 3. Which variable will move like this? X. So that's why I am saying x plus some space over. Now, after displaying this, I have to move to 2. Initial value of x is 1. Next time x value should be 2. The gap between 1 and 2 is 1. So that's why I am saying x plus plus. X value is incremented by 1. Now look at this, as already I told you, a loop can execute only one statement. If I want to execute more than one statement, display and updation, then I have to enclose it within curly bracket. So I am enclosing it within curly bracket. Now we'll do the dry run to check whether I am getting the output or not. So x initial value is my 1. Now this is my screen where I will display the output. Now x is less than equals to 10. X value is 1. 1 is less than equals to 10. True. I will get inside, display x value. What is x value? 1. Now x plus plus, x value is incremented by 2, 1, that is 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 10. True. I will get inside, display x value is 2. Now displaying side by side because print is given. Now x plus plus, x value is 3. Now 3 is less than equals to 10. True. It will display x value is 3. It will display 3 with some space. Now x is incremented by 1. It is 4. Now 4 is less than equals to 10. True. Display x value is 4. Now incremented by 1. It is 5. 5 is less than equals to 10. True. Display x value is 5. Displaying 5. Now x plus plus, x value is 6. 6 is less than equals to 10. True. Display x value, that is 6. Now x plus plus, x is 7. 7 is less than equals to 10. True. Display x value is 7. Now x plus plus, x value is 8. 8 is less than equals to 10. True. Display 8. Now x plus plus, it is 9. 9 is less than equals to 10. True. Display x value is 9. Now x plus plus, x value is 10. Now look at this. X is less than equals to 10. It is true. That's why display x value, it is 10. Now x plus plus, it is 11. Now 11 is less than equals to 10. False. We got the desired output. Now let's see, with the same code, can we display now 10 to 1? Look at this. I want to display 10 to 1. Now look at the previous logic. My output was starting from 1. That's why my initial value was 1. अब मेरा starting value है 10. So initial value क्या होगा?
10 होगा.
Yes, initial value will be 10 now. Now x is 10 and now it will move up to 1. So 10 is greater than 1 now. So that's why instead of less than, I will use greater than. Now 10 is greater than equals to 1 because it will move up to 1 and 1 also needs to be included. So that's why greater than equals to 1. Condition is over. Now x value is 10, 9, 8 like this. So I will display x only. Now but if I will increment it, now after 10 it will be 11. But I need 9. So obviously
minus.
Good. It is minus. It is decremented by 1. Okay, let's do the dry run to check it out. X initial value is 10. This is my screen. Now x is greater than equals to 1. That is 10 is greater than equals to 1. True. Display x. X value is 10 with some space. X minus. Now x value is 9. 9 is greater than equals to 1, true. Display x value is 9 with space. Then x minus minus, it is 8. Now move up. 8 is greater than equals to 1, true. Display x is 8 with some space. Next, x minus minus, it is 7. 7 is greater than equals to 1, true. So display x is 7. Now x minus minus, x is 6. 6 is greater than equals to 1, true. Display x, which is 6. Now minus minus x, this is 5. 5 is greater than equals to 1, true. Display x, it is 5. Now x minus minus, it is 4. 4 is greater than equals to 1, true. Display x value is 4. That's why it will display 4. Now x minus minus 3. 3 is greater than equals to 1, true. Display x, that is your 3. Now minus minus, it is 2. 2 is greater than equals to 1, true. Display x, it is 2. Now x minus minus, it is 1. 1 is greater than equals to 1. Greater than or equals to. So that's why 1 is greater than equals to 1 is true. That's why it will display x value is 1. Then minus minus 0. Now 0 is greater than equals to 1 is false. Look at this. Again we got the desired output. Now we want to display this output with again the same logic that we are going to apply. Now look at this. Now it starts from 2. So that's why my x initial value will be 2. Now next it is 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. Now it stops at 10. That means we'll move from 2 to 10. So that means 2 is now less than 10. So that's why I will say x is less than or is equals to 10, because I need to include 10 also. Look at this, 10 is also required. X is less than equals to 10. Now after this, look at this. In the previous case, I was displaying 10, then 9, then 8. The iteration gap was 1. Now look at the gap. It is having 2, then 4, then 6. That means the gap between 2 and 4 is 2 and 4 and 6 is 2. That means we got a conclusion that the updation will be plus 2. So that's why we'll use x plus is equals to 2. Now x plus is equals to 2, which means x is equals to x plus 2. This is a shorthand operator that we have used. Okay. Now we can conclude over here that these three parts only we have to concentrate: initial value, condition and updation. And the most important is your updation part. The gap between these values will be your updation value. So let's see, check the dry run. X initial value is 2. This is my screen. 2 is less than equals to 10. True. I will display 2. So 2 is displayed. Now x plus is equals to 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. That's why x is updated with 4. Now 4 is less than equals to 10. True. Display x value. X value is your 4. Now x plus equals to 2. It is 6. 6 is less than equals to 10. True. That's why it will display 6. Now plus equals to 2, that is your 8. 8 is less than equals to 10. True. Display x value is 8. X plus equals to 2, it is 10. 10 is less than equals to 10. True. That's why I am displaying 10. Now plus 2, it becomes 12. 12 is less than equals to 10 is false. So we will come out of this loop. Now we'll do this one with the same logical pattern again. Now look at this. Now it starts from 1. So that's why I will take the x value as 1. Initial value is 1. आई थिंक आप लोगों को अब पूरा समझ में आ गया, पूरा आप लोग क्लियर है. इसको देख के हम लोग इनिशियल वैल्यू एंड कंडीशन, ये दोनों में आप तो पूरा क्लियर हो चुके हो. अब मैं आपको थोड़ा बहुत इस अपडेशन के बारे में बोल रहा हूं. कैसे आपको पता चलेगा कि अपडेशन क्या होगा. अब देखिए यहां पे 1 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, उसके बाद क्या है हमारा, क्या वैल्यू है,
4 है.
4 है. सो 1 एंड 4 के बीच में गैप क्या है,
3 है.
3 है. सो ये सारे चीज को हम लोग कैसे देखते हैं, इन दोनों में गैप कितना है. उसके बाद क्या होता है अपना नेक्स्ट 9 है. 4 एंड 9 के बीच में गैप क्या है, 5 है. अब कुछ कॉमन गैप नहीं मिल रहा है हम लोगों को. सो कुछ और सोचते हैं. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू थिंक लाइक दिस. First of all, we'll add the value to get the next value. If it is not, then we'll multiply the value to get the next value. If it is not, then we'll make the square. So look at this. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. That means we have to take the square of the number. So that's why my initial value is 1. I'm starting from 1. Now it is ending with 16. So that's why
It is 16.
वाह बेटा वाह, पूरा समझ में आ गया अभी आपको. 16. Good. So that means it is less than equals to 16. Good. Now system.out.println x. अब ये वाला बोल के दिखाओ क्या करना है.
Is equal to x into x.
Excellent, excellent. मान गए भाई, मान गए. So that is x is equals to x into x. Fine. That is when x is 1, 1 square is 1. When x is 2, 2 square is 4. आप ऐसे सोच रहे हो ना, देखो ये गलत हो गया है. दिखा रहा हूं मैं आपको. चलो x का वैल्यू लेते हैं 1. This is my screen. Now 1 is less than equals to 16. True. Display 1. लग रहा है अभी आउटपुट आएगा. चलो देखते हैं. 1 into 1. 1 square is 1. So x value is now 1 again. We'll move off. 1 is less than equals to 16. True. Again it will display 1. But I need 2. I need to display 2. मार खा गए अभी यहां पे लॉजिक. हमने आपको क्या बताया था यहां पे? 1 का स्क्वायर, 2 का स्क्वायर, 3 का स्क्वायर. दैट मीन्स x वैल्यू का स्क्वायर हो रहा है. x को चेंज नहीं करना है हमें, x का वैल्यू का स्क्वायर निकालना है. इसीलिए while displaying the data we'll say x into x. That is your x square.
Yeah, I understood.
X value is 1. We got 1 square. Next time x value should be 2. 2 square. Next time x value will be 3. 3 square. That means अभी क्या करना है हमें यहाँ पे?
Plus plus.
Yes. अब जाके सही पकड़ में आया है आपको. x plus plus. x का वैल्यू एक इंक्रीमेंट करना है हमें. तो चलो देखते हैं. x initial value is 1. I am putting 1. 1 is less than equals to 16. True. Now x into x. X value is 1. 1 square is 1. Displaying 1. Next time x plus plus. X is 2. 2 is less than equals to 16. True. Now 2 square. It is 4. So it is displaying 4. X plus plus. It is 3. 3 is less than equals to 16. True. Now it will display 3 square. That is 9. Now x plus plus. It is 4. 4 is less than equals to 16. True. Now display 4 into 4. That is 16. Now x plus plus. It is 5. It will move off. 5 is less than equals to 16. True. Now it will get inside. 5 into 5 25. But मुझे दिखाना था 16 तक. अब ये आ रहा 25. मतलब ये भी गलत हो गया. अब सोचो, अब अपना दिमाग लगाओ क्या करना है. मतलब अब कंडीशन में गड़बड़ है. देखो कंडीशन को कैसे बोलते हैं. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. उसके बाद ये स्टॉप हो रहा है. मतलब x का वैल्यू कहां तक जा रहा है. यहां पे हम स्क्वायर दिखा रहे हैं.
4 है.
बस कितना टाइम लग गया. Yes, it is x is less than equals to 4. Now check it out. Now 4 is less than equals to 4. True. X square 16. Now x plus plus 5. 5 is less than equals to 4. False. So I am giving you the conclusion now. Look at this. In case of loop, look at the desired output that you want. आपको पहले ये देखना है आपका इनिशियल वैल्यू क्या है. उसके बाद आपको देखना है आपको कहाँ पे स्टॉप होना है. उसके बाद आपको देखना है इनमें गैप क्या है. दैट इज योर अपडेशन पार्ट. ये 3 चीज का आपको ध्यान रखना है. अगर आप इसको ध्यान रखेंगे तो ये बच्चों वाला खेल लगेगा आपको. अगर आपको मेरा टीचिंग स्टाइल पसंद आया, आपको ये लगा कि प्रोग्रामिंग तो उतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं जितना हम लोग सोच रहे थे, ये तो अभी बच्चों वाला खेल लग रहा है आप लोगों को, तो आप मुझे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर और बेल बटन दबाना मत भूलना।